Hello, my name is Simone. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then hello. I'm glad you clicked on this video. I'm going to transform my room into my dream room of all times. I've never done this before, so this will be an interesting experience for me. The room before was a little bit dull. There's a mismatch of colors, and I was like, I need to change it up because my sister's room looks nice. So at the moment, my aesthetic, well, when I was researching, my aesthetic was just purple, but then it turned to just pink, and then now it's a bit of pink, purple, minimalist, Pinterest inspired. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, and yeah, let's just get started. So this is my vanity and it all needs to be cleaned. So I made a little concoction of cleaning products to use because the stains on this table is quite deep. But yeah, I need to actually scrub it properly, so that's what we're gonna do. So today is another day and I'm still cleaning my room. I have one chest of drawer left to do and a night table, but I want to take a break from cleaning. So me and my sister, we're going to be hanging up some curtains. I found some pink curtains in our house lying about, so I was like, yeah, let's change it up, because the ones I have now is sort of see-through and it makes me cold because you can literally feel the breeze through it. So yeah, let's just go change them. So finally done the curtains. Very successful. Well, it took some time, as you probably saw, but it was fine in the end. And these ones that are away from my bed have a bit thinner, so it's not completely black out, whereas the ones near my windows is more black out because, like I said, the wind was winding and I was feeling the cold breeze, so none of that anymore. Now I'm gonna move on to my bed, so I'm just gonna change my bedding. But yeah, so I'm just gonna do that, and also the chest of drawers, and then I can start moving things where they can go. I'm tired. So I'm coming onto the chest of drawers. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. I'm gonna clean the outside and then probably use wipes to clean the inside because it's actually not that dirty. So I'm actually so tired and I didn't do much, you know. Anyways, let's just get started. So right now I am looking at some room decor items to buy. So I have curated a list of websites that I'm going to be checking out and just having a look and see if there's anything that I actually like. I know I need a lot of like storage boxes, so that's one thing I need to make sure that I get. So yeah, ideally I want to order it all today so they can come by at least next week. I might also do some in-person shopping as well. So yes, let's just get started. Hello, today is another another day. It's February. The last clip was from January sometime. And today I'm going to be hanging up some Pinterest pictures, posters, images that I found. I want to hang them up over my desk area. My desk is not 100% complete, but it's coming together. Here they are. So I'm going to show you the first bit. These ones, I decided to go for colors that is like blue, yellow, pink, purple type of thing, because my room, as I'm redecorating it, actually is not completely pink, which is not, it's nothing wrong with that, because I'm not really like a pure pink girl. I'm a bit of everything, and I couldn't decide on aesthetic to follow. So yeah, that will reflect in the posters as well. Have some Bible quotes, some just like nice art stuff, some of my favorite webtoons. If you guys are webtoon warrior, let me know, let's connect. They came up a bit too small, I'm not gonna lie. Like this one is like super small, but it should be okay. So yeah, let's hang them up. Now I'm in B&Q to try and find some accessories, home accessories for my bedroom. So yeah, I found a few, so I'm gonna do a haul when I get home. Yeah. So I got some stuff, some storage boxes. So I got basically this pink one from B&Q. I got 4 of them because I plan to use 2 of them on top of my stunning closet, and then 2 of them in this sort of shelf. It's a little bit too big for the shelf, I'm not gonna lie, but hopefully it will still fit, or it'll still look alright. I also got a new lamp, table lamp. It's gonna be used for my vanity. Looks like this. It's a very just like minimalist, cute, good size for my vanity, because it's not too much size. I don't want to have it too big of a lamp. So this one is what I got. And I also got like a matching light bulb, not matching light bulb, like a warm white, I think, light bulb. Table cover thing, because the table on my vanity and the top of my chest of drawer are like a little bit like dirty white, and I can't actually get the stain out, as you guys probably saw in the earlier clips. So I'm just gonna put this one over it, and it's basically gonna protect the tables, like, you know. This purple lamp has like a grey covering, very cute like purple like bulbs here. Yeah, I'm gonna put that on my desk. But yeah, that is what I got now. I'm still ordering some other stuff for my vanity, but that hasn't come yet. So yeah, let's just get organizing. I have a few boxes that I'm going to throw in the bin and use the new pink ones instead. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Okay, so I have moved the vanity table and also the chest of drawers and the other shelving that I have. I've also done the table. I think we're getting closer and closer to the final room reveal. It's not much to reveal, but you know, I'm soon getting all the pieces together, so yeah, I'm so excited. I am putting the adhesive table covers on my vanity table because I actually couldn't get rid of the stains that was ingrained on the table, so we decided to put this sort of marbled white beige nude color on top of the actual table. And I got the help of my mom to do this. It was actually not bad, and it actually does go with the interior of the thing. So yeah, this just, you see me doing some DIY, some cutting, some adhesive work. I don't even know what I'm saying, but yeah. And then I put on the lamp on the vanity as well, just to see if that works quite well, and it did. And yeah, so that is it. And then I also decorated the vanity with a few bits and bobs that I found. Very cute, very pink slash grey. Not grey, green. I had pink on one side and then grey on the other side. So yeah. Hello guys, so I finally bought some makeup drawer organizers for my vanity. I'll just show you one of them. So some of them are in like this grey thick one, other ones are in the clear ones. So now I'm gonna sort out my makeup. Makeup is on this, I have one sort of area just for my makeup in one of my other shelves. So now I'm just gonna put them all in here. I think we're coming very close to the final reveal, so I'm excited about that. So I just done my night table. It looks pretty decent at the moment. I have one more sort of surface to do in my room, so let's get to doing that now. So I added these stuff to my chest of drawers. So it's this jewelry box. I have yet to put stuff in it, but I will get to that. Then I also got this fake flower, very cute, has nice sort of purplish, pink, white colors, as well as this brand new perfume. I will go into detail about that later. And then I also bought this scented candle. The smell is called Sunset Sands, and yeah, so that's basically what I added to this portion, just to fill it up, just to make it, you know, nice and not so empty. I have done my night table. I've done my chest of drawers, like the surface on that. What's sort of left to do, may not do, is to buy a desk mat for my desk table. At the moment is nothing on there, and I might want to buy one just to cover the surface. Really, it's not a big thing that I need, so I'm gonna have a look in the shops if they have it. If not, then it's fine, because I don't want to order it or anything like that. Coming very close to an end of this video. I have said that a couple of times already, but it's because I really want this video to come to an end because it's taken me ages to film this video. In the next clip will hopefully be the room tour, so yeah. I'm going to transfer my jewelries that I have in the purple box that you see to the actual jewelry box that I got, and then hopefully that will bring me to the end of the transformation. That's like the last thing to do. So yeah, let's just get to doing that now. Some of these jewelry I've never worn, never seen in my life, but there's one jewelry that I actually remember quite well. It's this cross, double ring, whatever. And the history I have with this is that my computer science teacher thought that this was a knuckle duster, that I was out here doing violence, but this is the cross where Jesus died on. So how did she come to that conclusion? I don't know. She went to tell my head of year, and yeah, I got this one taken away from me for the rest of the day. I'm like, girl, like, I'm telling you, this is a cross, like, this is my Christian sign or whatever. But yeah, so that's the history with this. Like, how am I gonna I don't even know how to punch. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. It was a long video. Took me months to actually film and prepare everything, but I still had a good time doing that. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in another video very soon.